Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So, I am back, and I realized it was hard to hear me on the last video, so I'm going to try and talk a little bit louder. Um, Today, I am going to show you this thing that I made. It is a adjustable power supply. Pretty cool. And it's movable, so I don't actually have a bench power supply, but if I did, I work in so many different locations, at the coffee table, over here, and in my room with my desk, that it's annoying because I gotta move this thing, or I'd have to move the power supply wherever I went. So what I did is we have this little battery operated adjustable voltage power supply. So if I want to test a motor, say like for this gear train, all you gotta do is here's difficult. All you gotta do, you gotta have somebody hold the camera first. Might edit this part out, but you just all right, not worth it. So they'll just magically connect. All right, and if you're new to this sort of stuff, the red and the black, the blue, they don't really matter unless you know which direction you want your DC motor to spin in. Because if you reverse the polarity, it will spin the other direction. And when I made this thing, I actually had to wear in these gears. And so when I did it, I was sure to reverse the polarity. That way it'd get worn going both directions. But, so we got our little power supply. We just turn it on. There's 4.25 volts. Good for charging a lithium battery. We can increase it. It goes up pretty fast. It'll even go up higher, but I don't wanna blow up this motor. But you see, that's pretty cool. You can see I got a pretty good gear reduction going on there. I think it was like 81 to 1 or something. Not sure, but yeah, pretty cool stuff. And so it goes pretty low too. But basically, actually, these are lithium ion camera batteries, and they came with a protection circuit too, just like the flashlight. But I got these at Staples for $1 a piece, and it's because they're everywhere, and no one wants old cell phone batteries. Like they're just useless. So people throw them out all the time, and if it's like an old camera, like who carries around a camera anymore? So these batteries, no one wants them, so you can pick them up real cheap, and that was pretty neat. I was surprised to see that. So $2 for these lithium batteries, and I just charge them with a single cell charger, and they go into this. I don't know what you call it. It's an adjustable voltage circuit, and it can go above or below. So like if the batteries are fully charged, you can adjust the voltage below 4.2 volts. And then, as you saw, you can adjust it above to whatever you want. I just use this little switch. I 3D printed this thing. This screen, this voltage indicator, voltmeter, draws a lot more power than I would think it would. So that's not really that important, but it's pretty cool. I don't know. I'm kind of proud of it. I like it. I use it a lot. So thanks for watching.